Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 10, South America. In the last live class I have told you where is South America situated. South America is situated in the southern hemisphere of, and it is through this South America two lines are crossing. One is Tropic of Capricorn, another one is equator. The upper portion, that is countries like Venezuela, Guyana, Colombia, these are in the northern hemisphere, whereas the whole of South America is in the southern hemisphere. That means these upper portions are enjoying Christmas in winter, while the rest of the country is enjoying Christmas in the summer. Now, then, like North America, South America have the mountain Andes. It is the longest mountain chain in South America. Coming to, South America is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean in the down, and in the Caribbean Sea at the north. This I have already asked you and you were able to answer me. South America is divided into states, and the biggest state among it is Brazil. After it's Argentina. I know you all are aware of the name Brazil, because if you have ever heard about football, you have heard what is Brazil, the name Brazil and Argentina. Well, North America and South America is divided by the Isthmus of Panama. It is a small stretch of land which is joining the two countries, but if the people have to cross the seas from Atlantic to Pacific, people have to come, they have to follow this whole route from Cape of this down portion is known as Cape Horn. So they have to cross this portion and come to the other portions of the country. So here the Isthmus of Panama is been created, where a piece of land has been cut and a route from this Pacific and Atlantic has been joined, and that is known as Isthmus of Panama because it is near the Panama City. And this is how the two oceans are joined through water routes. Okay. Along with this small introduction, I am going to give you the question answers also. Next, now we will know about the important cities of North America. Important cities of North America is Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is the capital of Argentina. Argentina is situated near the mouth of La Plata, and it is a busy harbor. It is a harbor. A number of industries based on agricultural products have been situated there. Products in the pampas have developed around the Buenos Aires. It is connected by the Trans-Andean Railway to Valparaiso and Santiago in the west coast through a tunnel in the Uspallata Pass. Uspallata Pass is on the mountain. Next is the Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro is built on the Atlantic coast of Brazil. It is the second largest city of Brazil after São Paulo. And the beautiful Sugarloaf Mountain overlooks the city. See, here is the Sugarloaf Mountain. Here's that. It is one of the most beautiful natural harbor of the world, and it is the oldest earlier this capital of Brazil. And Brasilia, it is the it is on the Brazilian highland. It is the present capital of Brazil. It is the largest country of South America. It is well planned. This city has been planned and been settled down. It has a large population, officials, government officials, all people, important administration, civil administration, all is done from this city nowadays. It is this planned city is the symbol of unity and progressiveness in the of the Brazilian people. Okay, thank you.